How to change the font style in plain text on YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can change the font in YT Create application by adding the plain text. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application. So now you have to select the desired project. Let me select this one. Now you can see if I tap on this text icon, I can add the text, plain text, and let me tap on my text. Now if I tap on done, now you can see the text is very simple, but if I want to change the font style of this text, I can tap right here on the A icon, and after that you can see I can change the size of that text and I can change the font. So if I want to change the font, I can scroll down the list of the available fonts and I can select my desired font, and you can see if I tap on that font, my font style will be changed. If I tap on this, you can see the changes again. So this is how you can easily change the font style on YT Create application, and hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.